Espresso is the fundamental ingredient to every coffee beverage we love, so it has to be good. With your Beanz subscription, you're getting incredible coffees with every delivery, and they need to be dialed in to get the best flavors possible. I'm Sarah Dooley, here to help you dial in your next coffee. Let's dial in Bereka by Boon Boona on the Oracle Touch. Now, assuming you've selected the double espresso button on the touchscreen and placed the single wall double shot basket in the portafilter, then we're at the same starting point. Here's what my bar setup looks like from accessories to placement. Pause here if you need a minute to set yourself up for the brew along. At minimum, grab a dry towel. I've got Bereka blend in this hopper. I love this coffee because it really brings out this sweet, caramely brown sugar flavor that you cannot not find. It's delicious. My grinder is currently set in a 21 and yours may be different, and that's okay. Let's dial in right where we're at. Remove the portafilter and dry and wipe it out. I like to get out all the coffee grounds that might be hanging out in there and any water that's lingered. I like to purge the brew group for 2 short seconds to refresh the system while we're grinding coffee. So insert the portafilter into the grinder cradle and pull it towards you to engage the grinder and purge. My starting brew recipe is 22 grams of freshly ground coffee. We're going for 25 to 30 seconds of total brew time, and that will yield just around 2 ounces of espresso. It's like having a little barista in your machine. It's amazing. Dosed and tamped consistently. Wipe off any excess coffee grounds around the basket just to ensure we get a watertight seal. And insert your portafilter into the brew group from left to right. It's gonna be a little snug on your first few uses, but it'll loosen up a little over time. Press the brew button and grab your favorite cup. You shouldn't see the first drop of espresso until around the 7 to 9 second mark. The machine starts at a low pressure and water is moved through the puck up to high pressure. That's called pre-infusion. This will result in a slow saturation of the bed and a full extraction of sugars, acids, omegas, and lipids that make up a delicious espresso. And there it is. That's the shot I was looking for. Give it a little swirl if you're drinking a straight shot, just because it's a little warm. Nice, big, fluffy, uniform bubbles. Okay, there's that brown sugar we were talking about. So delicious, you just can't go wrong with it. A layer of caramely kind of graham cracker, sweetness to finish. Delicious. I really love this coffee. Did your shot look and taste like mine? The #1 goal of adjusting the grind is to either slow down or speed up the flow of water through the coffee bed. Don't be afraid of this step. We can always adjust it back. If the water flow is too fast, the coffee may taste sour. Adjust the grind a couple of notches finer to slow down the water flow through the bed. If the flow is too slow, the coffee could taste bitter or roasty. Adjust the grind a couple of notches coarser to speed up the flow of water through the coffee bed. Over time, all these steps will become second nature, and you'll go from having good coffee sometimes to great coffee every time. I'm Sarah Dooley, here to help you dial in your next coffee.